Let us solve for s given 4 raised to power s minus 2 is equal to 100. If you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. If you have a raised to power m minus n, this is equal to a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. And if you have a raised to power minus 1, this is equal to 1 divided by a. Therefore, this can be written as 4 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power minus 2 is equal to 100. Then we have 4 raised to power x multiplied by 1 divided by 4 square is equal to 100. And this is 4 raised to power s divided by 4 square is equal to 100. If you cross multiply, this is equal to 4 raised 4 raised to power s is equal to 4 square multiplied by 100. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 4 raised to power s is equal to log 4 square multiplied by 100. Then if you have log n raised to power m, this is equal to m log n. Then this can be written as x log 4 is equal to log 4 square multiplied by 100. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by log 4. This divided by log 4 and this divided by log 4. Log 4 cancel log 4 here. S is equal to log 4 square multiplied by 100 divided by log 4. Then if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Then this numerator can be written as s is equal to log 4 square plus log 100 divided by log 4. If you split this, s is equal to log 4 square divided by log 4 plus log 100 divided by log 4. S is equal to log 4 square. The whole of this can be written as 2 log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 100 can be written as, that is this, log 25 multiplied by 4 divided by log 4. This log 4 cancel log 4 here. S is equal to 2 plus The whole of this can be written as log 25 divided by log 4 plus log 4 divided by log 4. This log 4 cancel this log 4. S is equal to 2 plus log 25 divided by log 4 plus 1. Then 2 plus 1, that is 3. S is equal to 3 plus this log 25 can be written as log 5 square divided by this log 4 can be written as 2 log 2. S is equal to 3 plus 2 log 5 divided by 2 log 2. These two cancel these two. S is equal to 3 plus log 5 divided by log 2. And remember, if you have log A divided by log B, this is equal to log A base B. S is equal to 3 plus log 5 base 2. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 4 raised to power s minus 2 is equal to 100. Now, if s is 3 plus log 5 base 2, this is 4 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 minus 2. This must be equal to 100. Now, this is minus 2 and this is plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3, that is 1. We have 4 raised to power 1 plus log 5 base 2 must be equal to 100. If you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n, as we said earlier. Then this is 4 raised to power 1 multiplied by 4 raised to power log 5 base 2 must be equal to 100. 4 raised to power 1 is 4, and this can be written as we have 2 square to the power of log 5 base 2 must be equal to 100. Then this is 4 multiplied by the whole of this can be written as 2 raised to power log 5 square base 2 must be equal to 100. 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 square, that is 25 base 2 must be equal to 100. Then this is 4 multiplied by, if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Then the whole of this is 25 must be equal to 100. Now 4 multiplied by 25, this is 100, is equal to 100, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and comment. Bye.